Welcome to Mythic Court, the only court where gods are held accountable for their incredibly poor life choices. Today's defendant, Zeus. The defendant is facing 3 charges: public indecency, criminal mischief, and theft by deception. According to the statement of facts, on July 23rd at approximately 7 a.m., the defendant transformed into a pigeon before intentionally defecating on 4 vehicles belonging to a Chick-fil-A franchise owner. When questioned by responding officers, the defendant stated, "Maybe they'll think twice before closing on Sundays." Witnesses confirm the defendant made 3 additional flyovers to ensure maximum coverage. The defendant then requested the court subpoena every pigeon in the city. On August 4th, at approximately 2:13 p.m., the defendant became enraged after losing an online Call of Duty game. Rather than simply logging off, the defendant struck a neighborhood power transformer with a lightning bolt. The resulting outage left thousands of residents without electricity during Double XP weekend. The defendant insists the outage was a weather-related coincidence. The defendant later claimed, "They kept calling me a walking liability." On September 12th, at approximately 1:42 p.m., the defendant entered a Costco food court and consumed 12 free pizza samples, while wearing 12 increasingly unconvincing disguises. Security footage shows the defendant returning multiple times wearing a fake mustache, oversized sunglasses, a cowboy hat, and, at one point, a traffic cone. Employees became suspicious after the defendant kept giving different names such as Zeus, 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 and Chad. When confronted by store management, the defendant stated, "Those are 4 completely different people." The defendant maintains that changing one letter legally constitutes a new identity. Should Zeus be found guilty for not only pooping on cars out of spite, but also being bad at Call of Duty and eating all the free samples at Costco? Members of the jury, how do you find Zeus?